her soon.
I'm doing this one.
No, they top out in the same spot?
No. Yeah.
No, they top out.
Oh, I see.
Right. Yeah. Okay. I'm taking care of it.
Well, yeah, we found some easy ones like
Yeah.
on down the creek. So
Easy one.
yeah,
Yeah.
well, in the book we found
book.
them.
We
We
didn't have to
tried to
really
find the
get there.
boulder and failed. So here we are.
We could hustle and do it. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Come on.
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. Oh, nice. There it is. I was looking somewhere way different. Yeah, that looks good. Nice, dude. Good find. You got it. Bibbidi slap, bop. Yeah. Oh, it's not good? Oh, shit.
Yeah, there's better holes like if you go up around the mound. But I don't know how to get there.
If you catch this.
Yeah, that's true. We could do that. Which is hard to do.
No.
No.
It's been covered though.
That's good.
Oh, nice. Okay. Nice.
Oh, fuck me.
You got this. Yeah, you got that.
This is not like that dude's description at all.
Yeah.
They were doing different ones.
This dude was like, it's a super chill traverse. You're never more than a few feet off the ground.
Jesus fucking Christ. Oh, I'm not doing that again.
Nice.
Fuck that.
Very.
Okay.